You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is p equal or smaller than 9,840 over 4,109 equal or smaller than 21,622 over 4,109. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all p terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 9p over 205 from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 45 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 205 over negative 4,109. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is p equal or smaller than 9,840 over 4,109 equal or smaller than 21,622 over 4,109.